Om Shri Gurupyo Namaha Hari Om. Hi friends, this is Veda CJ. Welcome to my channel, Journey to Vedic Jeevan. If you really want to take your life in well advanced level, there is something that you must need to avoid and inbuilt few characteristics within you. And even if you want to develop your inner thinking thought process, basically your inner thinking thought process will improve only if you avoid external comments and avoid getting attracted to negativities. For this, you must need to respect and treat your mind as a king and not letting any silly or any meaningless things entertain your mind. If you really respect and treat your mind as a king, you must need to avoid one thing, that is not taking things personally. Knowingly or unknowingly, you get attracted to opposite comments, incidents, stories, or any other actions that really irritates you. But somehow that get registers in your mind and hampers your peace of mind. If you really want to bring change in your mind or in your dialogue or in your thought process, or you want to shift your mind into alpha level or much more than alpha level, one simple elementary step that you must need to inculcate in your life, that is not to take things personally. Well, if someone tells you don't take things personally, it might sound so simple. In fact, you might not be able to understand the true importance of it unless you get aware of it, the negative impact of your life by taking things personally. So, to make yourself aware of it, you must need to question yourself why I am taking things personally, to whom it is helping for. Of course, your answer hits no value, right? Even if you can't avoid thinking like this, that might be because simple reason is because of some psychological reasons. Let me put across what will be the unscientific reasons that you are thinking like that. First and the foremost is you want to prove good in front of social space, like you want to portray you're so perfect in front of other side. This is very common feeling because you can't withstand the thought of other person pointing out your flaws or mistakes at you, for which you may keep worrying what others thinking of you or commenting on you. Ask yourself, do you really want to get worried of what others thinking of you or kind of comments you receive from your behind? More you argue or proving you're right, you might lose your temper or by end result which leads to anger, fights and much more. You must need to understand you can't change others thinking, what others speaking, but you can change your characteristics of your life, not taking things personally, which improves the performance and productivity of your life. The other reason that you take things personally, that is if you are negative self-speaker. Basically we keep speaking about ourselves, what to do, what not to do, what to accept or what not to accept. Say for instance, you might think that you're tough, weak, fool, useless or lazy or a weak on yourself, and if someone underestimates that you are a useless person and your self-thinking or speaking mind easily get attracted, it get hijacked. You might think that you fall into the low self-esteem. So you also fall into same judgment that you are a lazy person. For instance, which you must need to develop your inner positive speaking techniques so that you don't fall into this kind of traps and you never fall into any taking things personally. So you need to develop your inner side dialogue. If you really want me to speak about this, any other videos, definitely I can do it. So don't judge or define yourself based on others' comment. It is one of the other reasons you take things personally because you value other people's thoughts, opinions much more than valuing your own personal knowledge or your guru. Let me draw you some incidents which might help you to come out taking things personally. Let's say I am working slowly in office professional and my colleague comes and comment you, hey, you're working damn slowly. Do you really want to take it personally when you know how to finish your job on time? Say for instance, you want to share some good news and your achievements to your loved ones. If they are neglecting to hear you and take their phone to check their WhatsApp, so how do you respond for yourself? Do you take it personally? When you phone call to your best friend and she tells you, we'll call you back later, and you don't receive a call even after a day, so how do you respond for yourself? Do you take it personally? All the situations which I have listed, most of us will take it personally. We would feel we are betrayed, we are hurt, we are offended, neglected during this circumstance. We may believe that the other opposite person is fault and they are the responsible for all our insults, pain that we have undergone. We may easily blame others by thinking they are the responsible for all our hurts. But one thing that you must need to understand, who is speaking all these things with you? Who? Who is nothing but our ego. Yes, our ego wants us to take us for higher consideration, higher attention. Our ego don't want us to disapprove in social friend. Our ego always wants to acknowledge us. We are always right in front of social face. Our ego takes over you. You feel so exhausted and you feel start taking things everything personally, and you won't let others ride on you, on your internal power. That may put you down by hampering your internal power. You need to protect or by all these things not to take things personally, because it is not personal for you, it is personal for them, because it might be their personal agenda transferring their pain or problem for others. Don't initiate yourself, take that pain for yourself. So now I will tell you the best strategies to improve and how to avoid taking things personally. The solution is how to learn how to be assertiveness. Assertiveness is something you are having the ability to say what you want and what you don't want in your life, and being very honest on your wants and your needs, and also you're respecting other wants and also their views. Assertiveness is very unique nature that we all must need to develop within us, being assertiveness, so that you will value yourself more gratefully. And when you start inculcating this nature, you will avoid taking things personally. The other best way is start spending time with one sadhvik kind of guna kind of people. Make new friends and have some boundaries with toxic comments, and start spending time with the positive people, and you will be able to start getting attracted with the good vibes. And sometimes you have to have a negligency behavior. The reason behind, if someone is commenting on you bad personally, it means that they are passing their personal pain to you or their problem to you. If you take it personally, that means you're welcoming their pain to your life. If you do not want to neglect it, you still want to maintain a same rapport, you can be more vulnerable and commenting how you feel without blaming others. You can also take a chance. They will understand you and take your needs into consideration for to their account. Say for example, hey, I was sharing my happy moment with you and now you are leaving half away in my story. So by telling like this, such a way that they will consider your attention in much better way. Hope this video took you an extra mile away by taking things personally. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe my videos to your friends. It really means a lot for me when you subscribe it, and it really makes me more happy when you start implementing not taking things personally. So hope this video added a great value for your time, and thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye. Be always get loud within yourself and share happiness to all your well wishers. Be grateful and thankful. Namaste.